Children need to be proud. Children need to be proud of their accomplishments, proud of their difference. Whenever we take anything different and we term it good or bad, what we're doing is age-old discrimination. It's history. Blacks, whites, Jews, non-Jews, girls, boys. It's all over. Everybody likes to make somebody else look bad so they can feel good. But the fact is, we all know as intelligent people that the world is full of differences, not disorders. Are short people disordered? Are tall people disordered? They're different, okay? There's an eating disorder, not a weight disorder. So this was an impetus behind my starting to look at this as a different but not a disordered child. I've successfully treated children this way. The system doesn't tolerate it, because when you start to talk this way, the system rejects you, because it takes offense to the fact that you put responsibility on them. We need to change the system. We need to modify the system and start teaching the children, not asking the children to modify their brains in order to conform to our system. Not going to happen, I know. But there is a way. The way is by us as a voice joining together and creating a loud voice that says, we do not tolerate the fact that these children are called disordered. We are not going to allow this to happen anymore. We're not going to allow children who are different, who have more energy, more creativity, more brilliance, to be called disordered, because the only way that they know how to teach is in a conformed box. Any creativity and any development happens outside the box. Christopher Columbus had a mind that explored, so he sailed the ocean blue. If he didn't, where would we be? I don't know. But guess what? Everybody, if Alexander Graham Bell didn't have some crazy idea of talking to somebody through a wire, how ridiculous is that? Guess what? Telephones. Computers. It all came from somebody's out-of-the-box idea. There's a book that says some of the most ridiculous statements that someone once said about the computer. This idea is ridiculous. It will never take off. The world will never embrace such a ludicrous thought as a box that generates information. It's probably as smart as the guy that sold 10% of Apple for $800.